Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install Android Studio on Windows 10. Okay, so in order to install this Android Studio, first of all we have to install Java JDK. Okay, so let's do that first. So just open your web browser and go to google.com. Okay, and just do a search for Java JDK. Okay, and here we have this link, Java SE downloads from oracle.com. Click on this link. Okay, and here we have this Java SE downloads page opened. Okay, and here we have this link of Java platform JDK 12. Okay, click on this link. Okay, and here we have this page opened of Java SE development kit 12 downloads, and you have to scroll down. Okay, and here we have this Java SE development kit 12.0.2, and here we have the accept license agreement. Okay, if we want to download this software. Okay, so I need to click over here, and you can see thank you for accepting the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE. You may now download this software. Okay, so we are on Windows, so we have two options. You can download the zip file and also the exe file of JDK 12.0.2. okay, so I'm gonna download this exe file of this. So let me click over here and let me select the destination where I want to save this file. So I want to save it on my desktop, so I need to click on this to select it, and after that click on this save button. And at the bottom left of my browser you can see it's downloading, so I need to wait for this. Okay guys, you can see that the file has been downloaded. So let me go to my desktop. Okay, and here we have this setup file of JDK 12.0.2. so in order to run this, just double click on this, preparing to install. Okay guys, so here we have this welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE development kit 12.0.2. Just click on this next button, and here is the path where this Java JDK will be installed. Okay, and if you want to change this, just click on this change button and just select the destination where you want to install this Java JDK, but I'm leaving this as default, and after that click on this next button. And you can see guys, it's installing, so I need to wait for this. Okay guys, you can see that Java SE development kit 12.0.2 64-bit successfully installed. So just click on this close button. Okay guys, so it's now done. And guys, let's go to the command prompt and check out the Java version, and let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, so let me click on the search box. Let me do a search for command prompt. Okay, and here we have the command prompt tab. Let me click on it to open it. You can see it's opened. So in order to check the Java version, I have to type this Java space -- version. Okay, and hit enter key on the keyboard. You can see guys, I'm getting this error. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay, so how we can fix this issue? So we need to set the environment variable for this. So let me close this. Okay, this command prompt, and guys, after that you have to open the control panel. So for this you have to click on this search box, just do a search for control panel. Okay, and here we have the control panel app. Click on it to open it. It's now opened. And guys, if you have this large icons or small icons selected, you have to select this category. Okay, and after that click on this system and security, and then click on this system, and here we have the advanced system settings. Click on this link. Okay, and here we have the environment variables, this button. Click on this, and here we have the system variables, and you need to find this path variable over here. Okay, and after that click on it to select it, and after that click on this edit button. Okay guys, so we have this edit environment variable, this window opened. Okay, and guys, after that you have to go to the directory where you have installed your Java JDK. Okay, so let me open my file explorer, or let me open my C drive, let me open the program files, and here I have Java folder. Let me open this. Okay, and here I have JDK folder. Let me open this, and here I have this bin folder. So I need to open this also, and I need to copy this path Okay, and after that let me close this, and here we have this edit environment variable window, and you have to click on this new, and you need to paste that path over here. Okay, so let me paste that path, okay, to this bin folder, and after that click on this OK button, and then OK button, and then OK button again, and after that close this window. Okay, and guys, if I open my command prompt again, let me open the command prompt. Okay, here we have the command prompt app. Let me click on it to open it, and if I type this Java space dash dash version and hit enter, you can see guys I'm not getting that error. Okay, and I have this Java 12.0.2 installed. Okay, so let me close this command prompt. Okay guys, so guys, Java JDK is installed. Let's install this Android Studio. Okay, so in order to install this Android Studio, first of all we have to download the setup file of this. Okay, so let's do that. So just open your web browser, or let me open a new tab. Let me close this website. Okay, and you have to open this website google.com, and just do a search for Android Studio. Okay, and here we have this link, download Android Studio and SDK tools from developer.android.com. Click on this link, and here we have this page opened of Android Studio. Okay, and here we have this button, download Android Studio. So the current version is 3.4.2 for Windows 64-bit, and here is the size, 971 megabytes it has. Okay guys, so before downloading this Android Studio, let's check out the system requirements. So I need to scroll down. Okay, and here we have the system requirements for various operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome OS. Okay, so we are on Windows, so let's check out that. So Microsoft Windows 7, 8 or 10, 32 or 64-bit. The Android emulator only supports 64-bit Windows. 4 GB of RAM minimum, 8 GB of RAM recommended. 2 GB of available disk space minimum, 4 GB recommended. Okay, and other information. And here we have this 1280 by 800 minimum screen resolution. So my Windows 10 system has all these requirements. You can check yours, and after that you can download the Android Studio. Okay, so let me go above, and let me click on this download Android Studio, this button. Okay, and here we have this window opened. Before downloading, you must agree to the following terms and conditions. Okay, so you can read that over here if you are interested. Okay, and if you agree, you can click on this box to check this. I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Okay, and here we have this button again, download Android Studio for Windows. Click on this button, and you can see here we have this message, thank you for downloading Android Studio. So just select the place where you want to download the setup file of this. So I want to download it on my desktop, so I need to click on this to select it, and then click on this save button. And you can see guys at the bottom left of my browser it's downloading, so it can take some time. So let me pause this video, and when it finishes I would come back. Okay, and you can see guys the Android Studio setup file has been downloaded. So let me go to my desktop. So let me minimize this browser. Okay guys, so here we have the setup file of Android Studio. So in order to run this, let me double click on this. Okay, so it's opening. Okay guys, so here we have this window. Do you want to run this file? Yes, click on this run button. Please wait while setup is loading. Okay guys, so here we have this window, welcome to Android Studio setup. Okay, so just click on this next button, and here we have the choose components. I'm leaving this as default, and then click on this next button, and here we have the location where the Android Studio will be installed. So if you want to change this, just click on this browse button. Okay, and just select the location, but I'm leaving this as default. So let me click on this cancel and then click on this next button. Okay, and here we have the choose start menu folder. So I'm leaving this as default and then click on this install button. Okay guys, so you can see it's installing, so it can take some time. So let's wait. And you can see guys, installation complete. Our setup was completed successfully. So just click on this next button. And you can see guys, here we have this window completing Android Studio setup. Start Android Studio. Yes, I want this. You can see it's checked, and then click on this finish button. So it's launching, so we need to wait for this. Okay, so I don't have any previous installation of this Android Studio, so I don't have anything to import. So I need to select this do not import settings and then click on this OK button, and it's starting. Okay guys, so here we have this welcome window. Okay, welcome. This wizard will set up your development environment for Android Studio. Additionally, the wizard will help port existing Android apps into Android Studio or create a new Android application project. Okay, so just click on this next button, and here we have the install type. Okay, choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio. Okay, so here we have two options, standard and custom. So in standard, Android Studio will be installed with the most common settings and options are recommended for most users. And here we have the custom. You can customize installation settings and components installed. Okay, so I'm selecting this standard option. Okay, and after that click on this next button, and here we have this select user interface theme. So here we have two themes, Darkula and light theme. Okay, so if you like this theme Darkula, this dark theme, you can just click over here. You can see it's now selected, but I want this light theme, so I need to click over here. You can see it's now selected, and after that click on this next button. Okay, and here we have this verify settings window opened. Okay, if you want to review or change any of your installation settings, click previous. Okay, so if you want to change some settings, you can click on this previous button and you can change that. Okay, but I don't want to do that. And here we have the current settings, setup type, standard, SDK folder, this location, total download size, 613 megabytes. Okay, SDK components to download. Okay, so these components will be downloaded. So let me click on this finish button, and you can see it's downloading the components, so I need to wait for this. Okay, and you can see guys, it's now done. Okay, and then click on this finish button, and here we have this window, welcome to Android Studio, Android Studio version 3.4.2 I have. Okay, so here we have some options, start a new Android Studio project, open an existing Android Studio project, and other options. Okay, so let's create one Android Studio project. So let me click on this, start a new Android Studio project, this link, and here we have this window, choose your project. Here we have some options, phone and tablet, Wear OS, TV, Android Auto, Android things, but I'm selecting this phone and tablet. Okay, so let me select this empty activity and then click on this next button. Okay, and here we have this window, configure your project. Okay, so here we have this name, you can give the name of your project. So I'm leaving this as default, my application. And here we have this package name, I'm leaving this as default. And here we have the save location, I'm also leaving this as default. If you want to change this, you can click on this link, okay, and you can change the location, but I'm leaving this as default, okay. And here we have this language, so I'm selecting this Java language, okay. And here we have this minimum API level, okay. So API 15 is the default. You can see your app will run on approximately 100% of devices, okay. So if you want to change this, you can click on this drop down box and you can select that, okay. So suppose if I select this Android 5.0 Lollipop, you can see your app will run on approximately 85% of devices, okay. But I'm selecting this, API 19 Android 4.4 KitKat. Your app will run on approximately 95.3% of devices, okay. So this is fine. And if I scroll down, here we have this option. This project will support instant apps. I'm not selecting this, okay. And after that, click on this finish button. Okay, so we have this Android Studio opening. You can see loading project, or let me maximize this, okay guys. So you can see here we have this project, my application, okay. You can see it still syncing, so just wait for this. You can see 2 processes running, okay, so just wait. And here we have some information, what's new in 3.4. you can take a look at these options, okay. So you can see 2 processes running, so we need to wait for this. And here we have this window. Yes, click on this allow access. And you can see guys, here we have this message synced successfully. So it took around 10 minutes and 16 seconds in my case, okay. And here we have the project files, and here we have this main activity.java, this file, and here we have this activity_main.xml file, okay. Let me minimize this, okay. You can see, so in order to run this, you have to click on this run button. So if I click on this run button, you can see it's initializing ADB, so we need to wait for this. And you can see guys, here we have this connected devices. We don't have any connected devices, okay. So just click on this create new virtual device, this button. And here we have this window opened. Select hardware. Under category, just select this phone, okay. And let me select one phone. So let me select this Nexus 5X and then click on this next button, okay. Let me download this Nougat API level 24, okay. So let me click on this download this link, okay. And here we have the license agreement. Let me click on this I accept this option, okay. And then click on this next button, and you can see it's downloading, so I need to wait, okay. And you can see guys, it's now done. Let me click on this finish button, okay. And you can see it's now installed, okay. So let me click on it to select it, okay. And after that, click on this next button, okay guys. And I'm leaving this as default. And after that, click on this finish button. So you can see that here we have this creating Android virtual device, so we need to wait for this. Okay, so here we have this available virtual devices, Nexus 5X API level 24, okay. So just click on this OK button. Okay, so here we have this instant run. Instant run requires that the platform corresponding to your target device, Android 7.0 Nougat, is installed, okay. So just click on this install and continue. So it's installing, so just wait for this. Okay, so it's now done. Click on this finish button, and you can see here we have this build running. And you can see guys, here we have this message, Gradle build finished in 5 minutes 41 seconds. So if I open my virtual device, you can see that I have this application running, and you can see here we have this output, hello world. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily install Android Studio on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.